In the early industrial age, the greatest companies were defined by producing the greatest hardware. Their innovative products became the foundation of the industrial might that powered America to lead the world. Hunter Engineering was right there for the wheel service industry, making our own great hardware and providing tremendous customer value. It didn't happen overnight, but Hunter kept innovating, shaping, and being shaped by the evolving industry, positioning itself to capitalize on the growth and increasing complexity of automotive wheel service. The next great age of American innovation created a new wave of corporate giants. The electronic age was built on a foundation of computers and software, creating a networked world of precision and productivity. Yet again, American companies led the world. Once more, Hunter didn't sit still. We embraced the electronic age and introduced balancers and aligners that revolutionized the industry, creating new products with increasing sophistication, precision, and ease of use. Our road to dominance had begun. What makes America's great companies of today so strong? Today's giants situate their products and services in first-class digital environments that expand the value of the customer experience. These environments encourage customers to more directly create connections with the company and its products, engaging not in transactions, but as part of a loyal partnership in new and exciting ways. Today, Hunter charts the path of our industry with HunterNet and connected equipment. We're proud to announce 3 more products with HunterNet connectivity: basic tire changers, bench lathes, and on-car lathes. In addition, HunterNet now includes multi-store capability, enabling organizations to see into their business and equipment like never before. We also continue to add more integration partners, such as Reynolds & Reynolds and US Auto Force. Once again, an American company is leading the way into a new age of wheel service, built on partnerships and driven by the best products and experiences. Partnering for a new age and being great in a new age means excelling at everything we do and delighting our customers in new ways every day.